Assalamualaikum from the Sisters of Pristine message. The first craft we have in this series is the Ramadan Chain Garland. This craft creates fun for all ages, and the Islamic concept behind it serves to be a beneficial reminder. In Ramadan, the reward we get for doing acts of worship is multiplied, which is why it is so important to take advantage of each day. By writing down our goals beforehand, it will be easier to build these habits for the rest of the year as well. We will also be satisfied in knowing we are truly taking advantage of the blessings of Ramadan. Now let's get to making the Ramadan chain. Alright, for your materials you're going to need about 8 sheets of paper, some glue, a pair of scissors, some colorful markers, and some form of decoration. For us, we use sparkly foam stickers because who doesn't love sparkly foam stickers? You can also use construction paper if you want. Take 1 sheet of paper and fold it in half, hamburger style. Remember, you're fasting, so don't eat it. Fold it in half again and use that crease as a guideline of where to cut. Do the same things with the other half of the paper. This will make it much easier to make it more precise without having to use a ruler. These will serve as your links. The next part may take a bit of planning, but on each strip of paper, write down a goal or habit that you would like to complete for each day of Ramadan. Some ideas are reading a juz of the Quran, making iftar, praying all sunnah prayers for that day, and praying 20 rak'ah of tarawih. For more ideas, try asking your friends and family and getting them involved in the craft too. Doing this craft with more people will make it much more fun. After you've written down all your goals, feel free to decorate the paper before making a circle out of the strip by connecting both ends like so. Secure it with just a little bit of glue. You don't want too much, otherwise it'll get soggy and it won't connect properly. And make sure you fold it the opposite direction of which you folded it the last time, so it doesn't create that weird little peak. Hold it down for a little, and then there you go, you have your first link of the chain. To connect it, take one unclosed strip and loop it around the first one, securing it with just a little bit of glue. Remember, don't use too much, otherwise it'll get soggy and not work properly. Hold it down for a couple of seconds, and there you go. You have your very first little bit of the chain. Do this about 28 more times, and you'll have a full chain for each day of Ramadan. Ready? Snap! Now you have a chain of all the goals that you want to complete for Ramadan. Hang it up somewhere, and then cut one down for each day that you completed the chain. Jazakallah khair for watching, and please follow us at Pristine Message Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, and subscribe, like, and share.
Also, if you tried this project, tag us on Instagram at Pristine Message. We'd love to see it.